It's been raining all day, so it's a little bit of break for the rain. So we're going to the nadi. Let's go. Oh, the Sarah. So many Sarahs. Sarah everywhere. Oh my God, how dare you! A free shower. Ah, the ones. Look, it looks like a V. Now let's go. There are so many ladybugs. I can't step on them. So many ladybugs. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one. There's two of them again here. Look, and there's more here. There's three, and there's three next. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, there's a family over here. I've never seen this much ladybugs in my life. Look, there's more, and there's more. Ah, so many.
Don't.
Okay. Let's go. There's another family over here. If you stop one of them, they'll cry. Look, it's a ladybug trail. Woo, more ladybugs. I'm going to go to the ladybug trail. Ah, there's more over there. So many. And more. Okay, this is the sign of the trail. Ooh, 3 ladybugs. Look, 2 on here, 1 here, and another one here. Is it alive? Yeah, I think it's alive. Yep, this one too. Oh, there's another one. I almost stepped on it. Come on, let's go. These are called Sarahs. Look, there are so many of them. Ah!
Mashua.
Now let's go. Oi. Careful. No ladybugs now. The ladybug trail is over. I almost fell down. It's a wonderful day today. Oh, there's another ladybug over here. He's all alone. Oh no, I think he's lost. Bye bye, little ladybug. If you want to catch up with the others, they're over there. Okay, bye. I tell him that if he wants to know where his parents and his family are, his family is there all the way down. These are really tiny, so he should be running. Like this. What's this? What's this? I don't know. Come on. Be careful. There's a cliff over there. Look. Down there. A bug ran into my nose. That was disgusting. I used to go up there. Right now it's super slippery, so if I go up there, I'll slip and I'll die. I know, I would die. I would die, or I would break a leg, head, or knee. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and
Hơi light.
here. It's red and white. You can't see it in the mobile. It's too far. Look carefully. No, you can't see. Look. Oh, red and white. No, not at the camera. Look at yourself.
No, I can't see.
There's a red in that tree.
Lighthouse.
Yeah, like a lighthouse.
It's just like this tower.
Spain is super beautiful over here. Look at those. It's like I could touch. Let's sit on that bench for a while, okay? I'm lucky because these benches aren't wet. Oh, guys, I'm so tired right now. The scenes are super beautiful. Look at that tree. Okay guys, right now I'm going to tell you the story now. Come here. Come closer. Okay guys, now the story begins. Once upon a time, there was a king called Mida. King Mida. His name is King Mida, and he and his wife, live in a really big castle. And the castle was super big. It can fit millions of golds. The king loves gold so much. He always goes to his dungeon and counts his gold every time. One day at his castle, an old man appeared. The old man go to the king and said, "I am really poor and I'm really lost. Can you please help me get me back to my house?" So King Midas was kind too, not just love gold, he is kind too. So he helped the old man go to his own house. Okay, he take care of the old man, and one day it was time to leave. The old man returned to his own house. Then one day he showed his little boy. His little boy was a god, the god of the skies. So, for thank you, the little boy says, "For thank you, I will give you one wish. You must do it carefully." Okay, guys. So, King Midas thanks so much. I want a gold full of car. No, I want a gold full of house. No, even better, a gold touch. It's like that. If you touch something, it will turn into gold. So he said, "I wish that whatever I touch will turn into gold." So the boy promised to give him one wish. So he gave it. Tomorrow morning, if you touch something, it will turn into gold. Okay, so at the morning, he was touching his couch. He thought it would be so comfortable to sit on a gold couch. So he touched. It turns to gold immediately. So then he was kind of hungry. He go to his breakfast. He touches food. It turns to gold. He was super satisfied. Okay. Then his loving daughter came. His daughter. Its name was Goldie. Yeah. Goldie comes and runs. "Daddy!" The king touches his daughter, and she turns to gold, a statue. She was beautiful in a statue, but she can't breathe. She can't talk. She can't walk. She didn't move a bit. King Midas was sad. He cried and cried. And when he heard the sound of the god said, "There is a river far away. You have to walk there. You can't do anything like go on a horse or go on a car. Anyways, there's no car over there those days." Okay, so he walked and walked and walked because of his child. His child is old right now, so you have to do something. It's his child. It's his daughter. So he walked and walked and walked and walked. So finally, he reached to the river. It was super beautiful. It was blue. Then he go and washed it, just like the god said. Oh yeah, the god said to him that if you wash yourself, all the gold touch will disappear and it will turn normal again. So he washed himself, even he loves gold, but he did it for his daughter, so he washed himself in it. And then all the things was gold disappeared. So he ran back to his castle and then saw his little girl crying. Daddy, Daddy, where are you? I'm missing you so much. Then he saw her. Then she saw him and ran to him and hugged him. The king was scared if she will turn to gold again. But he did it. And what do you think? Did she turn into gold? No way. His gold touch was disappeared by the magic water. From that on, not the gold. He just plays with his daughter and plays with him a lot every day. And he never counts his money again. His gold money never again. Okay? So, in this explanation, that means that gold can't make happiness. Gold just ruins the happiness and can't give happiness. So, little kids, if you love gold and you want to be rich, don't ever think of gold. Just think of the love, your mothers, and the flowers in the air, the rainbows, just like that. Gold can't give you happiness at all. Don't be so rude every time too. And don't think of gold at all. You don't have to be rich. You have to be in love. In your parents. And like if you're grown up, you have to love your children, not gold. Okay, guys? So, if you understand me, please like, subscribe. And if you think I'm right, please like that like button. Okay, guys, like, share, subscribe. And if you like the story, please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe. I have now, 249 or 48. I'm super happy and keep going on. Please subscribe, and I will say thank you for all the subscribers for supporting me. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye. Oh my gosh, there is so much snow. I wish I could go there, Mom. This is super hot around here, but there it's like freezing.
지우다다. 가르도. 지우디 나라. हाँ 한디 단다라고 말을 안 맞춰도 마도 꼴 추먹 보라 미발래 가지 주긴 너지 뭐래
다다요. Should I help you?
이러면 지닝지 아 지면 되겠다
No?
암조 낭로 주일랑 말이야 암조 통화 얘기하든지 나 빡빡해 파래
이거 뭐 잘하네.
잉제 싸대보다 자스 니도 하지 암조 맨날 거지
암주 요스. 들러 암주. Good. Wait. Get up. 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 Good. You can do it.
싱민데 이게